Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can create your own ebook thanks to Canva. So let's start. First, what you want to do is be in a Canva. You have a link in the description. Right here, ebook, and you have it here, ebook cover. So you can have only 30 pages for your ebook. This is really important. Now, let's find a template for your ebook which you would like. Would be great. I don't know, this one here. And let's say that I'm going to make tutorials about how to gain views on YouTube. So first, let's go with the museum. Let's write ebook about YouTube. I would change the tube to the red. Okay. Education. By Marcus Stone. Yep. Now what I'm going to do, I will just find more and I will click to pixels and I will write, I don't know, YouTube. Okay. Okay, position backward. Okay, so this is just for like showing you how to make it. Now what I would do, I would add a new page, delete this one, and now first, what we need is to page numbers. So I will go to elements, I will click here shapes, I will go like here, paste it here, and then I will change this to the color of this one is fine. And then I will choose text, heading number 1. Okay. Now what I would do, I would duplicate my, or no, before that, you need to add some basic elements for every page you will have. So let's say that I will have definitely a heading here, which is going to be like here. Then I will have a box. Then I'm going to find right here. And where will be the text? Just for fun. And also let's change the color to here. And this will be like my every page. So I'm going to copy it now. And also I need to add my subheading text right here. So copy, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what I want to do now is to page 2 is number 1, page 2, page 3, okay, page 4, page 5, 6, really simple, really easy, 8 and 9. So when I have it, what I'm going to do now is just add a heading, be patient. Many YouTubers, blah blah blah, when they are starting out, they don't have patience. That's the biggest reason why they lose. And I would like write like this. I would make it everything, and I would just add here like photo running, or I would just find some good element like running. Yeah, and this like this is for free. And I would just take this guy, I would flip it horizontally. And for every block, I would just put one, not block, but for every ebook page, I would just add different small guy here, the animation, some graphic, you know, and this is how we make it. And then what you want to do is just download. Okay, PNG, you can go like PDF print. I recommend that. Okay, it's preparing, it's preparing. When you finish it, and voila, here you got it. And then I would just upload it on the side and I get like perfect ebook. So that's pretty cool. So this is how we make it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you, have a great day and see ya.